how to fix the issue where your sound has stopped working on your Windows computer. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now first, just open up the start menu, search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, click on system and then select sound. Now for the output, this is where we want the sound to be playing out from. So you either want to have this set to your speakers or your headphones. Also make sure the volume slider here is turned up. You can then scroll down to input and you can go and select your microphone from the list. Now scroll down to troubleshoot sound problems and click on output devices. It's then going to say, do we have your consent to run diagnostics? Click on yes. You'll then just need to go through the steps to try and diagnose any issues with your sound. If it's still not working, then come back over to the sound window and click on more sound settings. Click on the playback tab at the top of this screen and make sure your speakers are enabled. You can do this just by right clicking on them, and if you see enable, go and select it from the list. You also need to make sure your speakers are set to the default device, and you can do that by making sure they're selected and clicking set default. Now if you have tried everything so far and it's still not working, then open up the start menu, search for device manager and click on this window. In the left hand side, click on audio inputs and outputs, and you should be able to see your speakers from the list. Go and right click on them and click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. You could then click on the audio endpoint and click on next. Once you've done that, you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to right click on the volume icon, click on open volume mixer, make sure the correct output device is selected from the drop down arrow, and make sure all of the apps, make sure the volume slider is turned up like you see here. Once you've done this, you should now be able to hear sound on your computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.